Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 5a, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Google device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar right away. Now you need to type in DevCheck and get this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your Google Pixel's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!